Rain against my window pane, neon lights and midnight trains, city breathing soft and low, like a secret only night would know. Cold coffee on the table side, quiet thoughts I try to hide. Every drop outside my room feels like dancing